afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning, children. Children, are you able to listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you all are in
Yes,
video?
ma'am.
Why you all are doing your video off?
No, ma'am. Just on.
Children, I'm able to listen some. Before I start anything, children, I want to share one video which is very, very important to you. Please, everyone be in mute mode and follow the video and be careful. Listen the video. I may ask you anything regarding that video. First, you see that video and then I'll go to the topic. Okay, everyone? Everyone, keep on watching the video. I may ask any question from the anything in the middle of the video. So everyone keep on watching. I am also watching all the children. You also watch the video. Children, any one of you please unmute and tell me, are you able to listen the sound of the video? Yashwant,
Ma'am.
respond me that are you able to listen the sound of the video? Sound of the video is not able to listen to you, children. Only you are seeing the video, not able to listen.
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
cannot. I can see the video, but
You are not able to listen.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute, children. I'll be seeing what's the problem in that.
Ma'am, it's blur, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can't hear, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't hear and we can't. It's the sentence are blur, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What the sentence are coming down? We
Okay,
can't
okay, children,
understand.
I'm working on that. Please
Yes.
wait. Please wait.
What? It's
వినిపిస్తలేదట ఎవ్వరికి వినిపిస్తలేదట నాకు ఎంత మంచిగా వస్తుంది నాకు సౌండ్ అయితే పిల్లలకి ఎవ్వరికి వినిపిస్తలేదట నాకు చేసుకోండి ఇప్పుడు over children was anything able to understand to you children
No, ma'am.
you did not understood anything at least by seeing the pictures also you did not understand anything
Ma'am, first we cannot clearly, ma'am. We can't understand anything.
yes children you can't understand anything but you are I think you people are smart enough by seeing the pictures you people can understand something else right
Yes, ma'am.
so okay
Yes, ma'am.
okay let me explain you now the video was nothing else but to when you are alone at home you should not invite any strangers you should be very very careful when you are alone at home okay when you are alone at home be very careful in the same way I want you people to give few more safety rules when you are in school when you are in bus when you are in playground in the same way you will understand Sai Shreyans and everyone Shanmukha, Ananya, Vignesh, David, Advit, Mirza, Akshat. Put on your videos. All. If you are not putting on your videos, I'll tell here to put you as absent mark. So the instructions will be given to you related to the safety rules where you spend your time, that is in school, in bus and in playground. Come on, let us see. Here the screen sharing is there. One minute, children. Safety rules are nothing but, children, you have to take care of yourself wherever you are. Okay? See here. Whenever you are going in bus, you should take care of yourself. See? You are able to see the screen now? Yes. So when you are going in the bus, what kind of safety rules you'll be taking? Just follow. I ride the school bus. I ride the bus to school. I ride the bus home. I need to be safe on the bus. To be safe on the bus, I need to sit. You cannot run or you cannot move here and there when the bus is when the bus is moving. Keep my seat belt on. If you have seat belt in the bus, you have to wear the seat belt. Have nice hands and feet. Stay quiet. Everyone is happy. Everyone is happy when I am safe on the bus. When you are reaching safe to school, teachers and school management will be very happy by seeing you, children. And when you are reaching safe to home, your parents are very happy by seeing you. When you will be safe? When you are maintaining discipline, seated and quiet in the bus. Then the bus driver can move the bus without any disturbances. Okay. Now, these are the safety things you have to follow while the bus is moving. See here, few bus safety rules. Sit facing forward at all times. In which direction the bus driver is sitting, you people also should sit in the same way, in that same forward direction. Speak quietly. If you speak loudly, some type of disturbance the driver uncle may feel, and he may feel something is wrong in the bus, and then while driving he may commit some mistake. So you should not do that. Keep aisles clear. Aisles means what, children? That is not, see here in sentence number 3, AISLES, aisles. That is not aisles, that is aisles. S is silent, children. And aisles means when all the children are getting down in their respective stops, you people should give them way. You cannot uh, block the way. That way is called aisles. So that way should be vacant, children. That way should be clear so that other children can get down without any disturbance. Children, are you understanding what I'm teaching you? Please give me your thumbs ups if you are understanding. Am I audible very clearly to you all? Children, am I audible to you clearly? Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you, children. Keep head, arms and feet in the bus. You should not put your arms, feet and your head out of the bus from the windows. At your stop, Wait until the bus comes to a complete stop before getting down. Until the bus stops completely, you people should not get up from your place, children. That will harm you. If the bus gives sudden stop, that may harm you. So you should stand from your place until and unless the bus stops completely. Next. Now, dealing with electricity. First of all, you children should not deal with electricity when you are alone. You should be under guidance with your elders, parents, or others who are guiding you. Don't take a chance. Follow these do's and don'ts for your safety. Sarah, I'm getting disturbed. Do what you have to do. Seal all unused electrical do what you have to do. First, I'm reading all the do's and then I'll go with the don'ts. Seal all unused electrical outlets. Means where you put the pins, your plugs which are not used, you have to seal them. Next, throw away or repair electrical items that have damaged cords. Means that may be very harmful, which may be like if we touch them, they may shock. Okay. Next one. See here for the second one, how the type of example they have given. Green mark, right mark. Next, before repairing any electrical appliance, remember to unplug it. If you are putting the plug and then starting repairing, it is very dangerous, children. Don't do that. Next, fourth one, last one, do. Plug in only one high watt appliance at a time to avoid overloading it. Some of us will have the pad in which we can use 3 to 4 plugs at a time. If it is emergency only, you have to use that. If not, use where we can use single pin. Vishnuvardhan, don't touch the screen. Now we'll go with the don't. Pull a plug out with its cord. Wherever the plug is in, you have to put it, take it out from there. Don't touch electrical appliances with wet hand. You should not touch that, children. When your hands are wet, you should not touch electrical appliances. Next, don't put fingers or metallic objects in electrical outlets. You should not put the fingers where you find the holes, children, to put plug in. There you should not put your fingers inside that. And the last one, don't use any kind of electrical appliances close to water, because water is a very bad conductor of electricity. If we pass electricity through water, you will get shock, children. So you should put away that electrical appliances from water. Next, what safety rules you should take in playground when you are playing? Yashwant, don't put your fingers in mouth. Don't bite your nails. What is safety in playground. Safety first. Anything on the ground stays on the ground. Means like thorns, logs, small sticks, stones. It will be on the ground only because they all are non-living things. They cannot move. So before you start playing in a playground, you need to clean the playground. Next, find friends. If you want to play in playground, you cannot play alone. You cannot enjoy yourself. So you have to find friends before you start playing. Everyone follows directions. If you find friends, all should follow the directions of the playing, how to play without any cheatings. Next, treat others the way you want to be treated. How you want yourself to be treated? In a soft way and in a nice way. In the same way, you should treat others also, children. You cannot scold others. When you feel bad, if others are scolding you, you should not scold or you should not use bad words when you are with others in the playground. You should be very, very friendly to all. Next, it's not coming. Okay. You must line up when called. Means whenever you are in the playground, you should form a line if needed. And whenever, if suppose you are in the school, you should follow the school teacher, your PET sir. And if you are in any other play, game, you need to follow your coach. Next one, safety rules in school. School is called the temple of knowledge. Children, we have only 5 minutes in hand. Within that time, I'll just read. Tomorrow, I'll explain you again. Okay? Oh, only 2 minutes we have. School is called the temple of knowledge. The school is a place where we learn and study. The school should have big, airy, and lit rooms and a playground for the students. Beside classrooms, there are lots of other rooms found in the class, found in the school, such as staff rooms, principal's room, science laboratory, computer room, library, audio video room, and so on. Okay, children, I'll stop this and tomorrow I'll continue with this again. Today's your homework will be to complete your notes, children. I'll send you the PDF file. You have to complete your notebook part. Is it okay to everyone? Children, is it okay to everyone? Will you,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, you have to complete your notebook. Children, wait, don't talk. You have to complete your notebook part. You have to complete your notebook part. Okay, I'll send you today that notebook part what to complete. Okay.